Got an SP1 file from a vintage Windows XP installation media? This is legacy installation data from the original Windows XP Service Pack 1 release. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these Microsoft Windows XP with Service Pack 1 installation data files work. The fastest method is last. We will prove that a single quality SP1 file inspection program is sometimes all you need for complete mastery over various file types. SP1 files contain installation data from Windows XP with Service Pack 1 integrated installation media. They store system files, updates, patches, and component data used during Windows XP installation or repair operations, preserving the slipstreamed Service Pack 1 update bundled with the base operating system. SP1 files use Microsoft's installation data format, storing compressed system files, cabinet archives, and metadata required for Windows setup. The format follows Windows installation specifications with structured data referenced by setup.inf files, defining file copy operations, registry changes, and component dependencies during installation. The specialized program designed to handle SP1 is Microsoft Windows by Microsoft Corporation. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows shows minimal content to protect users from altering important system components. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your SP1 file and click Open With. If Microsoft Windows is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software association. If you are still having trouble opening the SP1 file, do not worry. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, using during Windows installation. SP1 files function as part of Windows XP installation media and are not opened individually by users. Insert the Windows XP SP1 installation CD or run setup.exe from the media, which automatically processes SP1 files during installation. The setup program handles all SP1 data extraction and integration with the operating system. Next, extracting installation data. For advanced inspection, use 7-zip or expand.exe to extract contents from SP1 related cabinet files. Open command prompt, navigate to the source location, and run expand source.cab destination to decompress files. This reveals individual system files that were bundled in the Service Pack 1 installation package. Finally, updating legacy systems. Windows XP and Service Pack 1 are obsolete and unsupported. For systems still requiring legacy support use, Windows XP with Service Pack 3 the final supported update. Modern systems should run current Windows versions, which include all updates without requiring separate Service Pack installations or SP1 format files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.